A talent card is a meaningful step in an individual's development and is automatically generated for individuals who complete a Talent Online assessment. Each talent card highlights an individual's 5 strongest talents for a given role and provides a pathway to help them understand their potential and assist in leveraging their strengths. The talent card begins an individual's strength development journey, encouraging them to focus on their top talents, those areas in which the individual has the most potential and are likely to find true enjoyment. This tool puts them in control of their own development to share with coworkers, friends, family, and allows the individual to receive positive feedback and recognition. The talent card enhances the connection between employee and manager while creating a language of talent. It also increases employee engagement, helps the employee reach talent potential, and fulfill the mission and vision of your organization. So how can a manager use this information to support an employee's growth? The talent card can be used as a recognition tool. You can acknowledge the potential each employee has and their achievements by providing regular recognition that aligns with one or more of the employee's talents. Be observant. When you see the employee use their talent, recognize their contribution and the outcome. The talent card can also be used as a coaching tool. Even the most talented employees desire development and opportunities to grow. Identify and communicate areas in which ongoing collaboration will help the employee achieve success. Before you sit to review a talent card with the individual, here is how you prepare. Click the URL link that was emailed to you and review the employee's talent card, and be able to speak to how you have seen their strengths play out at work. This meeting should have a positive feedback and not go into employees' weaknesses. Rather, be prepared to speak to natural talents for the employee and how they bring value to the workplace. The employee will come prepared to discuss the action they will take to better utilize a strength at work. Talent Plus recommends following 4 steps for a successful discussion. Step 1. Welcome the employee to share the purpose of the meeting and review the agenda. Step 2. Discuss the employee's strengths from their talent card. Step 3. Discuss and agree upon the action steps to better utilize a strength. Step 4. Recap the meeting, offer support, and thank the employee. The Talent Plus Talent Card is an excellent tool to leverage an individual's strength, re-engage your employees, and provide further development.